Have you ever wondered how a bird's eye view could revolutionize farming and agriculture? Imagine soaring above vast fields, meticulously scanning each crop, each patch of land, each droplet of water. This isn't a flight of fancy. It's the reality of drones in agriculture today. Consider the case of a farm in the heartland of America. Conventional methods of farming were not cutting it, with unpredictable weather patterns and changing soil conditions threatening the livelihood of an entire community. Enter the drone, an unlikely hero in this tale. Armed with advanced sensors and imaging capabilities, the drone began its daily patrols. It could spot the telltale signs of a disease outbreak, distinguish between crops in need of water and those that were well hydrated. It could even identify the precise locations where fertilizers were needed, reducing waste and ensuring that every grain was accounted for. In essence, the drone became the farmer's eyes in the sky, providing invaluable data that was once impossible to gather. The results? Nothing short of phenomenal. Crop yields soared, water usage was optimized, and the farm was able to produce healthier, more robust produce. The drone, once seen as a mere gadget, proved to be an essential tool for modern farming. In this video, we dove into the fascinating world of drones in agriculture. We explored how these flying marvels have the capability to transform farming practices, making them more efficient and sustainable. We cited a case study of a farm that successfully integrated drones into its operations, leading to increased crop yields and improved resource management. We've seen how drones can be the eyes in the sky, providing detailed information about crop health, soil conditions, and water usage. This technology has the potential to revolutionize farming as we know it, making it more efficient, sustainable, and responsive to the challenges of the future. As we move forward, the fusion of technology and agriculture promises to yield bountiful harvests, not just in terms of crops, but also in terms of insights, efficiencies, and sustainable practices. The sky is quite literally the limit, and drones are leading the way. And so we leave you with this thought. In the face of changing climates and growing populations, could drones be the secret to securing our food supply for the future? The answer, it seems, is already soaring above us.